Hi guys, today we're going to go through your research task. There's a whole number of steps that you'll need to follow to complete this successfully. So we'll just go through each step one step at a time so that you can achieve success in your assignment. The first thing you need to do is select your topic from the ones on offer on your task sheet. You need to make sure that the topic is something that you understand a bit based on what we've done in class. It should be something that you remember being interested in and something where you already have an opinion, even if it's a little bit unclear at the moment. Try and think about which topic you are interested in covering and which topic you think will have a lot of good information for you to look at. The second thing you need to do is complete your research planner. This is really easy. You can literally just copy what's on this slide. So week 1 will be your initial research, focus questions and initial hypothesis. Week 2 and 3 should be research. Week 4 is drafting and week 5 is editing. So just copy that information onto your research planner and this step is done. The next thing to do is complete your initial research. This should be about a page long and have at least one source. 2 sources of information would be better, and we are looking at secondary sources. Don't bother about making it more than about a page long. It won't improve your grade and it really is a waste of time. What you needed to be doing is noting down anything that answers the question in dot point notes. Make sure that you are noting down what answers the question. Don't tell me everything about the topic, just things that answer your question. A Chronicles textbook or a general website like Wikipedia are quite good for this. This should be the only place I see Wikipedia. It's not normally the best of resources, but it's good for your initial research. Make sure you complete references as you go, either in the Word reference tab or by writing down the relevant information. So this is an example of the initial research section. You will need to have the key question up the top, your citation information, either from the Word citation tab or the source details. If you're not sure how to use Word citation, come and see me. And dot points in the section for notes, noting down what answers your question. The next thing you need to do is write your initial hypothesis using that research that you have done. It needs to answer the question that's posed to you or provide your viewpoint on the topic. You will need to use the words in the question, and you should include wording such as completely, partially, somewhat to show the degree to which you disagree or agree with the statement. Mostly what you are doing is deciding where you are on a continuum from completely agreeing to completely disagreeing. So the topic plus the judgment you're making plus your opinion is your initial hypothesis. You might include aspects that you are going to discuss, and you need to get this checked once you're done. Once you've got that initial hypothesis, you need to complete a quick rationale. It should be quite simple. You essentially write one paragraph with 5 small sections. What about the topic interests you? Why did you pick it? How does this link to the inquiry theme? Now, the inquiry theme for our topic at the moment is on your task sheet. It's not about Rome, so check your task sheet. Thirdly, why are you sure that this is a good choice for the task? So how will this topic allow you to complete a research task well? How have you ensured there's a wide range of resources for this topic? What sort of authors are you looking into? And what is your initial hypothesis? If you're not sure about any of these questions, please check with me. And the last of these initial steps is your focus questions and sub-questions. You'll need about 3 to 4 focus questions to guide your research. They should be based on the paragraphs that you're planning on writing later on. Use your initial research and your hypothesis to help work out what these questions will be. They might be focused on a certain time period, for example, each of the 4 wars of expansion, or on a certain area, social, political, economic, etc. Each focus question should have some sub-questions. These should further consider who, what, when, where, why, and how. There's a few examples here of different question phrases. So when you think you've got enough sub-questions, just go back and consider what else you might need to be answering for that question.